So today guys, I'm going to show you how to change your license plate light. I have some LEDs that I bought from Amazon on the 2000 Honda Civic. Can't find no videos, so I'll show you guys how simple it is. These are actually blue LED lights. Right now I have the stock OEM lights. I'm going to show you guys where to locate. Here's one. That's the one side. I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to undo this tab right here. That one at the end. There's tabs and the bulb should come right out. Just like that.
That is sweet.
The bulb right here. We're going to place the new ones in right now. Get the LED. All I'm doing now is replacing the other one. Just got to take the other one out. You guys can't really see what I'm doing, but it's kind of hard to get in here. All right, here it is right here. This is it. That's it right there. Yeah, they kind of made it weird to get into this, but all we're gonna do is take out the old one. Be careful. Just like that. Here's the old one, the stock ones. And then here are my Amazon LEDs, blue. These are actually really bright. Kind of gotta push these in really good though. Okay. You don't want to break these or damage them. There we go. That should be good. Just like that. And they are in. Just like that. I believe I finally got it in. It took forever. My hands are freezing. But these are really hard to put in for some reason. But let's just put this back in and see how it looks. I'll get back to you in a second. So here's the difference between the OEM ones, which are really dark, and my LEDs. And that noise is my fan. So I like these because they give it a more modern look to my Civic. They're brighter and it's simple to change. As you can see, that's the difference. The blue and the stock OEMs. And like I said, I ordered these off Amazon. Came with, I believe, 10 in the pack. But yeah, simple. So here's the finished product. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty clean. That is clean. Here's both lights working now. Final product.